Right, welcome back. I thought I'd do a proper video just to show this off. How fucking proper video, my arse. The light's just fucking burnt my hand. Anyway, Subway Toys, I Am Legend, Will Smith figure. It's just called Survivor. I'll get that fucking song out of my head now. Does come with a dog. It's not the best dog. It's not the best likeness. If you look at the cover of the DVD there, and you look at that dog, it's not bad, but you know. So anyway, the figure, the head sculpt is not 100%, but I do really like that expression on it. It looks a bit cross-eyed there. Light's shining on it weirdly. There we go. Does kind of look, well, it doesn't look with that expression, but in the film he does pull that expression quite a lot. So the likeness ain't 100%, but I really do like it. I did pick up this head sculpt, which is a lot better, so I might get another body, or I might have a neck adapter if that head pops off. I haven't tried it yet, don't want to break it, but it should pop off if they're similar bodies to what I'm used to. So the box is nice, the figure is really nice. Comes with a message bag, which is, you know, screen accurate, really well done. So the tailoring's really good, the boots are really good, coat's really good, shirt underneath looks excellent. I mean, for £83 it is no brainer. But I'll just show you this as well quickly. I did pick this up. Hello. Hello. This is made by a company called Leonardo. I think they're based in the UK, I'm not sure. Let's look into bleachy there. Show it off there a bit better. And it's a slightly bigger scale than this dog. I think it works alright with the figure. Let's have a look there. It's quite. Don't know, the dog in the DVD cover there is pretty small. But then it could be just perspective. Dunno. I dunno. Oh, don't you fall. Took me ages getting that pose. Now these bodies are quite easy to pose. Quite stiff joints. Yeah, it's a bit too static, that one. I think I'll probably just stick with the original, and I might use this for something else. That one's kind of cute. It's just something about it, I don't know. Looks a bit on the skinny side. Anyway, that's it. It's just my thoughts on this figure. It's a good film. It's one of those things, it was an impulse buy. Girlfriend likes the film, so I thought, well, be something she might be able to appreciate. Probably not, she'll probably think I'm a prick. So why don't you spend the money on something else, like some new clothes, you tramp. Or a pair of sandals for her. So she needs a pair of sandals. So I'm in the doghouse. Who let the dogs out? Will Smith did. crazy hobby. It's a crazy, crazy, crazy hobby. That's cool, hobby too. And who wants to be normal, eh? So anyway, that's it. I've got to go, got to have a shower, get out of here. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.